Welcome back to Throttle Vortex, the 2026 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500, where technology meets power. Like and subscribe for more powerful reviews. The 2026 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 represents the absolute peak of American muscle, a mechanical masterpiece that flawlessly bridges the gap between raw, old-school power and the high-tech precision of a modern super. Built on the refined S650 platform, the design of the 2026 model is a masterclass in functional aggression, featuring a massive hexagonal grille designed to feed air into its monstrous heart and widened fenders that house staggered performance rubber for maximum grip. Every crease and aerodynamic element, from the deep front splitter to the towering carbon fiber rear wing, has been sculpted in a wind tunnel to keep this beast glued to the pavement at speeds that would make most exotic cars blush. Under the vented hood lies the rumored Legend V8, a supercharged 5.2-liter powerhouse engineered to deliver a drop-in output north of 800 horsepower, with some whispering about four-figure targets to finally settle the muscle car wars. This immense energy is managed through a lightning-fast dual-clutch transmission that provides gear changes with surgical precision, ensuring the power delivery is as smooth as it is violent. The auditory experience is equally legendary, characterized by a spine-tingling supercharger whine and a deep guttural exhaust note that serves as a visceral reminder of Ford's racing heritage. Inside, the cabin has been completely transformed into a digital command center, dominated by a massive curved glass panel that seamlessly integrates a 12.4-inch digital instrument cluster and a 13.2-inch SYNC for infotainment screen. Drivers can fully customize their cockpit, choosing between modern data-heavy layouts or nostalgic analog gauge designs that pay homage to the classic Shelbys of the 60s. Despite its track-focused DNA, the interior doesn't skimp on luxury, utilizing premium Alcantara, genuine carbon fiber trim, and bolstered Recaro racing seats that hold you firmly in place during high-G maneuvers. The driving experience is further elevated by the latest generation of MagneRide adaptive suspension, which analyzes road conditions 1,000 times per second to provide a ride that is surprisingly compliant on the highway yet razor-sharp on the circuit. Massive Brembo carbon ceramic brakes provide the necessary stopping force, giving the driver the confidence to push the limits of physics. Technology isn't just for show here, it's baked into the performance with features like electronic line lock for perfect tire warm-ups and advanced launch control that ensures every bit of torque is converted into forward momentum. As the automotive world moves toward electrification, the 2026 Shelby GT500 stands as a defiant, roaring celebration of internal combustion, offering a level of engagement and soul that simply cannot be replicated by a battery. It is more than just a car. It is a profound statement of engineering excellence and a final, glorious salute to the era of the high-output V8. Whether you're carving through a canyon road or dominating a local drag strip, the GT500 provides a sensory overload that few machines on Earth can match, solidifying its place as the undisputed king of the pony cars. This is the car that enthusiasts have been waiting for, a vehicle that honors its name by pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible for a street-legal Mustang. From its intimidating stance to its record-breaking performance metrics, every inch of the 2026 Shelby GT500 is designed to leave an indelible mark on the soul of anyone lucky enough to sit behind the wheel. It is, quite simply, the ultimate expression of Ford performance and a legacy reborn for the modern age.